Today, I'm cooking for Ryan Keeping, who's running across Canada. He's running 75 kilometers a day for 99 days. That's almost 2 marathons a day. He's burning over 6,000 calories a day, and the question everybody has for him is, what are you doing for food?
I'm kind of just eating anything and everything, even though I like Jolly Ranchers. And other than that, my dad's been cooking on a camping stove in the front seat.
So what is he cooking?
Just like pasta and, I don't know, rice. It's just really basic stuff.
We can do better than that. I'm gonna run ahead, get set up. We're gonna make sure you're fueled.
Let's do it, man.
What's up?
Love it.
Flip the switch, let's go.
Let's go.
The first thing I wanted to make him were these energy balls that will just pack him full of calories. I feel like this sort of thing is really good if you're running. It's just an easy thing that you can chuck in your mouth. The other thing is I don't even want to just fuel Ryan. He's got a full team that sits in his truck and just basically like helps him through this. He's got his dad, his sister, and his buddy right now that's doing all the film work for him. So we got to feed the whole team. It's not just about Ryan. It takes a team to run across Canada. There are people just joining him the whole time across the run. Anyone want an energy bite?
Let's try these things out.
All right. See you guys up there.
That's phenomenal.
Those are good, eh?
Pretty good, eh?
I ate in the back of a truck.
Andy, those are amazing, huh?
Good. Well, we got loads of them.
You gotta teach him how to do
Yeah,
those.
I will. This is a good one. This is a good hack with them. Yeah, literally it's just peanut butter, honey, oats, and then cranberries, just random whatever. Just mix in a bowl. Really good. You can make this in the front seat, I think. All right, the crew is peacing out. We got to go get them set up for these breakfast sandwiches. These are going to be delicious. Let's go. So Ryan has a Toronto meetup today. There's going to be, I don't know how many people there are going to be. It could be crazy, but he's going way faster. I think he's fired up here, so I'm running behind. I don't want to be the one slowing anybody down. So I got a chance yesterday to run 25K with Ryan. The support that we're seeing in the communities is wild. There'd be 3 different schools along the route that we ran. There'd be 100+ kids at every single school. They're chanting Ryan's name. You can just feel like this is a real movement across Canada. It's super inspiring. It's got me fired up. It's actually really fun cooking for someone whose main goal is a lot of calories. You can get like bacon and mayo, really whatever you want. He's gonna eat and it's only gonna help him. Super fun. Okay, I can see Ryan getting ready to get out of the van. I gotta get these all plated up and in his belly here. Let's go.
Wow. I thought Tim Hortons was good, eh? This is crazy. Not bad for being cooked out of the back of a truck, eh?
So much. No worries.
What do you think?
Just my mouth's
I think it works.
How do you make food taste this good? What's the
Salt,
what's
fat,
the secret?
acid,
Okay.
mayo.
You gotta teach my dad. You know, a little crash course in like an hour.
I'll give him my salt.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, we're just getting set up here. We're getting a snack ready for Ryan and his crew. I'm gonna be doing like Italian style sandwiches. We got some amazing deli meat. Stopped by a local Italian deli shop that had some mortadella, some salami, some prosciutto. We get some amazing Italian rolls, some buffalo mozzarella. Oh, I see them coming. I gotta rock and roll here. Do you want one while you walk? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I'll eat one right now, actually.
There you go. Anyone else want a snack?
Sound happy. I love my dad.
I think Andy's a bit, maybe a little bit of a better shot.
I bet you can teach them.
You guys want to know?
Yeah, great, man. Thanks.
No worries.
Not too much for like.
Cheers.
This is incredible.
See you in a couple
That's
hours. We
tonight.
got dinner coming.
Man, it's gonna be good.
Pretty good. What do we got?
10K left. Master Chef. They don't call him the Master Chef for no reason.
Ryan absolutely devoured that last meal. So I was a little rushed last time. We got to get prepared here. I'm making cashew chicken, one of my favorite things. Super lean protein, lots of veggies. Those cashews going to give some energy. This is an East Coast classic, and I think he's going to love this one. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, last time they snuck right up on us, folks. I didn't see them coming, so this time I want to get ahead of it. We got to prep up all the veggies, get the chicken ready, make the sauce, make some rice in the back of a pickup truck outside of an old church, I think, I don't even know where we are. So we'll see how this all turns out. I was about to say I'm confident, but that ain't a good sign. All things considering, I think I did a pretty good job packing up my carry-on suitcase. If I could do it again, I missed my tongs. The tongs would be the main thing I would bring. Otherwise, I got a pretty good setup. The camp stove's pushing, but I wish I had more heat. What are you gonna do? You're cooking out of the back of a truck. The tongs was a real miss, Andy, real miss. So I don't have a big pan here. I'm really struggling here. I've got the chicken cooked separately, the veggies and the sauce together. I'm gonna mix them together, almost toss it like a salad. Serve it on a bed of rice. I hope this is good. I'm pretty positive it's gonna be good, but I don't know. You never know when you're cooking like this. I might not be the best cook in the world, but very few people could do that right there. I'm in a middle of a small town in Ontario. I just made cashew chicken in the back of a pickup truck. It tastes delicious. They're gonna love that one. I'm fired up for that. Okay, we just got a message from Ryan. He's got 1 kilometer left. We're gonna fly out of here, set up so we got dinner ready to rock. That's a wrap.
Freaking hungry. Yeah, my shoes are falling apart and there's rocks stuck in them.
What's the best movie you've had to do?
The subs Andy made. My dad has been, he's not a very good cook. Like, we had tuna sandwiches for a week with no mayonnaise, just tuna out of the can. So, really mushy rice.
Works, it clearly works.
All right, guys, secret last little thing that I want to whip up. I got some dumplings, make them nice and crispy on the bottom. Match that with cashew chicken. I think that's a good freaking meal. I don't mind saying that.
Let's see this food.
Cashew chicken.
An absolute legend.
Lots more where that comes from, man. Oh, geez, you just throw it away.
I'd say it's slightly better than Scott's, whatever Scott's been cooking me. We gotta get Andy to come all the way across Canada. Yeah, that's delicious. This will make me run even faster tomorrow.
10 out of 10, or even better.
Might be an 11 out of 10, honestly.
Well, one of the best meals I've had in a long time.
Chuck up dumplings on top there.
Chuck it on, man. This food is phenomenal, man. Andy, that's a lot of food.
It is a lot of food. Yeah. Couple dumplings.
Like, holy man.
Don't feel like you gotta, Andy just said that it's sub too. Yeah. We gotta move here. Ryan's about 30 minutes out. He's been craving burgers, but he's been eating a lot of like Burger King style burgers. So we're gonna give him a flavor explosion style burger coming at him right now. We're gonna be doing this pork lemongrass hoisin burger. This is going to blow his socks off, I guarantee it. Beautiful, juicy, delicious, aromatic patty. Do a little bit of hoisin mayo, maybe some quick pickles if I can do it. That's a good lunch to me. Get him fired up, fuel him through the rest of the day, but I gotta get rolling. Enough of this blabbing on, Andy. This recipe takes me right back to my catering days. I've done this a million different ways. I've done it in burgers. I used to put them in like Chinese dumplings. They were super, super delicious. This burger is gonna be a bona fide hit. I nearly guarantee it. One of my favorite things to make. Super delicious, everybody loves it. Ryan's doing this whole run for the Heart and Stroke Foundation, raising money. His goal is to raise 100 grand. He's almost there. Click the link below. If you can give anything, it would mean so much. It's an amazing cause. Ryan deserves it. Click the link below. Give what you can. Thank you. Okay, we got the burgers all ready and prepped. They're good to go. I've got some corn. I thought that'd be a fun little thing. If you're out on the road and you're eating super bland food, I know for me that would like play with my mental health. So I'm trying to give like big, huge flavors. Be like, holy jumping. Like this is not only nourishing me like physically, but mentally. I don't know. Flavor is just important to me, so that's what I'm trying to bring today. Anybody want energy ball of any sort?
Yes.
Thank you.
We also got a couple burgers there if you want one of those.
And these are legendary.
Something else. So we got
Real food here.
That's it. We got like a pork lemongrass burger, hoisin mayo, some cucumbers, just a little bit of something, a little bit of flavor.
Legendary.
Yeah. Trying to keep up with your pasta and tomato sauce.
This will keep me driving the van for another 4 hours. I love it. Let me take one out.
Grab yourself a burger, would you?
Oh my goodness. Let's see.
We got some corn on the cob too, if anyone wants some of that. Wow. There you go, man. I'll
I
say
didn't
it.
know food could taste like this.
Just a
Like
little bit.
I've never been to a fancy restaurant in my life.
Yeah, well, we bring the fancy restaurant to you, man.
I never knew food was like this.
Well, there you
I
go.
thought like a McDouble was good.
It is good.
Like East Side.
It is a time and a place.
East Side Mario's is my favorite restaurant.
Okay. Okay.
And it doesn't compare to this.
I love it, man. I love it. That's amazing.
Gabby.
I love burgers. You used to feed me 4 burgers before my soccer
Yes.
game. Yeah. And go score 4 goals.
Seriously.
Go to restaurants. Never rated anything. Actually, I never rated anything as a 9.
Yeah.
Ever.
And? Oh my God.
Like, I'm not.
Appreciate that. I love that. Oh my goodness, what an incredible adventure. This was so fun. It filled my heart so very much. I love cooking for people and haven't done it in so long, so this has been so enriching. Hanging around with Ryan, his team, seeing the challenge that he's taking on and tackling is super inspiring. And to see Canadians across the country rallying behind him is just unbelievable. And I'm so glad I could be even a little part of this story. Since I've been back, I feel like my life has legitimately changed. I'm pushing harder at work, harder at the gym. I feel like I'm a better dad. Whatever Ryan's doing is super inspiring, and I can feel that the switch has been flipped. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, everybody. Be sure to donate to the Heart and Stroke Foundation. See you next time. I haven't washed my hands in days.